All right, so usually when I wake up in the morning, I try to wash dishes and I also try to make myself breakfast just to get my day started. So if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I upload and post on this channel. I believe in this video we had 3 scrambled eggs, we had some Greek non-fat vanilla yogurt with granola. So this is basically my brunch. Some people say breakfast, some people say lunch. I just have this meal when I wake up, whenever I wake up, and basically I just simply make it and cook. As you see, I got my apron on, and I just love and enjoy being in the kitchen, especially like in the morning time, because it just allows me to organize my nutrition, organize my schedule. So this is probably what I start off doing. It's not the first thing I do in the morning, but it's something I do as a routine to start my day and continue my day and just to go on with my day. But right now I'm just cleaning the dishes. When in the kitchen, you can clean as you go. Clean as you go. When you're in the kitchen, just clean as you go, because it's going to save you time at the end, especially if you have other things to do within your day. So yeah, I hope you guys actually enjoy this video. But yeah, I'm just washing the dishes, making breakfast, and preparing my first meal for the day. And then we're going to hop into something else. All right, so I did go shopping. I kind of bought like some shirts, some tees, not no tanks, some tees. And I also brought an extra hoodie because I only have one hoodie in my shop, which is the Ohio hoodie. But this is the other hoodie that I purchased. And I have a couple of more shirts that I want to go through and analyze and look at. So I'm just showing you this process that I normally do when I buy. I just try to look at my shirts first, because the whole idea here is to buy the shirts used that we enjoy and like, and then pretty much wash them, dry them, and then press them. And if we get any views on like Poshmark, which is a website where you can sell your clothes that you have, or if you don't want anymore, we can actually ship them off. But it takes time to grow and build. But yeah, this is basically like the routine that I do when I get new tees in that I have shopped for. So I'm just basically putting everything into place. All right, so after I finished that, later on in the day, I kind of took a trip to Walmart to grab a clothes rack, which I'm about to put together for you guys so you can actually see. I invested into this clothes rack simply because we needed in order to have, the clothes hung up and in our store and in our shop. So this is going to pretty much be a task at hand. It does come with directions, but you know me, sometimes I don't even read the directions. I was so excited to put this clothes rack together. I didn't even look at the directions fully before I even started, but it was just joyful to actually put together, because this is something we're going to utilize when we, iron, wash, or dry our used clothes to pretty much wear, of course, and then also, sell online for those who may be, interested in the shirts that we actually have, or the shirts that I've actually collected and stored into my shop. So yeah, this is just basically the beginning stages of me trying to put everything together. I actually already have a clothes rack, but I broke it on accident. I didn't mean to break it, but I did kind of fix it in a way. But you guys will see eventually what the setup looks like and how everything is going to, pretty much work. And I'm just doing this off the strength of me just having ideas and just trying to stay busy because for those who may not know, I'm not really working, so I don't have a 9 to 5 job. So this is just like a hobby that I do and something that I enjoy doing when I have the time to do it. But yeah, I'm just putting this together. I'm looking at the directions, trying to figure everything out. I knew it couldn't be that hard to put together. I just wanted to make sure everything was in place. So when you guys see like see the clothes rack put together, then you can see how everything is going to put together, essentially, is what I'm trying to say. Because you guys, I don't know, sometimes I have doubtful thoughts that anything will work, because I try everything, but you just have to continue to try and try until something pops. So this is just me putting the clothes rack together, making sure everything is going to work out. So yeah, I'm just putting everything into place, making sure that it's sturdy enough in order for me to hang clothes on to the rack. And then we can begin hanging like pants, hanging clothes, pretty much the things that I enjoy doing, looking through different inventory, putting up the clothes that I brought to see what I have, because you also have to think about the sizes of the clothes and stuff like that. But this is pretty much the finished product of what the clothes rack looks like. It's not your usual clothes rack. It's just two sides to it, and then it has the upper part where you can hang your clothes at and put your clothes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It took me a total of like 7 minutes to put it together, so I kind of shrunk down the content so you guys could watch the full video through. But yeah, it came with the directions that you needed in order to put it together. And yeah, it's just that easy. You got to make sure you put everything together. And yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys, the finished product. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. It actually rolls. You just have to unlock the wheels in order to roll the portable clothes rack. So it's pretty cool. You can get it at Walmart, like I said, and mention, I believe it's like 20 to 15 bucks depending on where you go. You can go to Dollar General, but when you purchase a clothes rack, you want to make sure you purchase a quality one so you can get the best out of it. All right, you guys, so this is what my setup looks like. I know you just see me put the clothes rack together, which I'll show you in a second, but this is pretty much my at-home podcast that I'm trying to figure out, put it together or something. And as you can see, this is pretty much everything I'm starting with, especially with the lights, the tripod, the extension cord, the fan, because it's a basement, and then the other light. And yeah. But this right here is the clothes rack. So I just put this clothes rack together. If you want to get the clothes rack, you can go to Walmart, your local Walmart, and grab one. I believe it's like 15-20 bucks. But yeah, I put the clothes rack together so I can hang my clothes. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I upload and post on this channel. With that being said, I'll see you all in the next video.